Hi, it's Greg coming to you from beautiful Worcester, Tech. For this challenge, I haven't been able to find anybody to compete with me. I've been looking for a while, and I finally came up with the idea that the only person that's going to be willing to challenge me is myself. Hey everyone, are you ready for this? Absolutely. Today we'll be going up against each other to see who is the best at grinding down the welds on this table. So I, the original OG Greg, will be using the Norton Vortex Rapid Blend. It's a non-woven disc which will allow me to be able to grind and blend this at the same time. So I believe this will give me the edge over the other guy. So I, Greg number 2, will be using this competitive grinding wheel because I believe this will do a better job. So let's check out our work. I ground this weld down right here. It's nice and contoured. It's flush to the table. While I was grinding with it, I noticed there wasn't a lot of sparks. I noticed there wasn't a lot of noise, and I noticed it was very easy to control. It almost felt like it was wrapping around the table. It was easy to see what I was doing. Sparks may look cool on video, but it's not very cool to have them in your way when you're trying to grind. So how did you do? I think I did okay. The grinder bounced a lot. There was a lot of sparks, and it was very loud, and it was really hard to control, and it was really hard to get flush. And because of that, I'm gonna need to switch out the wheel and keep working on it, which is gonna be another step that you won't have to do. Try the new Coarse grit today. It comes in various sizes to fit your needs and applications.